Okay, so hello everyone. So I'm going to be talking about my project, which is on the Constitution for my 11th grade U.S. history class. Um, but not just like the background information on all the laws, but more so the social and political implications that the Constitution has on the people of the United States. So they're doing that through looking at these source readings, which you can see. These are from New Visions, the New Visions US curriculum. But right here is a more complicated, the technology aspect. This is a program called Ableton that I've talked about a couple times. So I've used Ableton in some of my classes, and one of the adjustments or corrections that I'm making, and I'm going to outline in this video, is frankly, Ableton is not exactly difficult, but more so time consuming to teach. So instead of teaching all the students this program, to make music, I'm going to help them through the program record their own music. So a couple pieces of outside technology I'm using. This is an audio interface. This one only costs $100, and you can use it for a lot of things. Recording audio, so obviously singers use it with their computers, but it's really popular also for podcasts. And just a very simple microphone. So this is kind of bringing the studio to the students. So I think I'm just going to take out the kind of tedious process of teaching them this Ableton program, which they can, in after school enrichment, things like that. I want to focus more on the creative aspect of making music or rather making lyrics. So a couple things that they will be doing is obviously looking at the source readings. Um, and I'm going to highlight a couple things. So, for example, the preamble to the Constitution, um, they will be doing looking at this section and understanding the social implications that the preamble has on different citizens. So, um, for example, we have um, the idea of liberty and how it impacts all citizens in America, regardless of class, race, gender, sexual orientation, things like that, and understand, does the Constitution really adhere to the principles outlined the in our country? And so that's where these students will have their creative and political ideologies come in. Um, Also, another key aspect of this project is to do collaboration. Um, they'll be making the music, but the song is going to be created with other students. So, um, not just using technology, not just learning about social, political ideas, but also working together. Okay, thank you.